guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a quick breakfast. Thank you for watching, and those of you that are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I'll be uploading my next video. This breakfast is a croissant, egg, cheese, and ham. You will need 4 croissants, 4 eggs, 4 slices of cheese, and 4 slices of ham. You will need a pot with boiling water. This boiling water we will use to poach the eggs. Let's go ahead and drop the eggs in the boiling water. And it'll take 3 to 5 minutes for the egg to cook. You will need a strainer spoon like this one so you can take the eggs out. Let's start splitting our croissants in half. By this time I have a pan on my other burner and I'm sauteing the slice of ham. A lot of salt. In this case I didn't use any salt. The sodium and the salt in the ham will do for us. Saute or fried or heated the ham, I put the cheese so it can start melting all over the ham. After the cheese, we put the poached egg. The way I check if the poached egg is ready, I just touch the white, and that should be a little bit harder than the yolk. The yolk should be soft to the touch. Also, it would have been quicker if I would have used the tongs instead of the spatula to flip the ham. If you're always on the run, little things like this make a difference. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, they add up. So if you're always on the run, like I said, things like this matter, and you always try to save time. Yes, so watch and learn, watch and learn. Let me take this time to welcome you to my channel and invite you to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Also hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload my next video. Also, be careful when you're handling the poached eggs. They are so slippery. Oops, there it goes. This breakfast would have been faster if I would have done 2 eggs at a time, but no, I decided to go with 1 egg at a time. I just didn't want to ruin the eggs. I have to apologize for my stove being this dirty. I recently bought a Pond's stone to see if I could get rid of all this burn smudge around my burners. I'll make a video to test the Pond's stone. Yeah, maybe I should have done the 2 eggs at a time. It's taking a while. Here's the last egg, so yeah, I'm almost done. My family's a party of 4. It took me around 13 minutes to finish 4 breakfast sandwiches. You just want to make one, it'll probably take you 5 or less. Maybe I should have challenged myself to make this breakfast in 10 minutes. Maybe next time. For those of you that like challenges, I recently challenged myself to clean my room in 10 minutes. So I will link that video in the description box below. So go ahead and go watch and see if I make the challenge or not. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you can notified when I upload my next video. Also, share, like, and comment this video, and enjoy your breakfast. See you in the next one.